Welcome to Junnediya Institute of Information Technology. Diploma in Computer Applications, Business Accounting and Multilingual DTP is the name of your course. You are doing Module 1 IT Tools and Business Systems. Windows XP, MS Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, MS Access, DOS and Linux are the software you are going to learn. My name is Qayyum sir. Okay, today we are doing practical number 24, we call it assignment number 24 in Microsoft Excel. So Excel is starting. Here is the file. It says use the above sheet to do the following. It means it wants you to open the sheet you saved yesterday, that was employee.xls. so here is from the office button. This is the office button. From the office button I selected the file employee. I click it to open. I will delete the rest of the things except the sheet. Select it, delete, select, delete. So here is the sheet. So here is the worksheet. It is the database upon which we are going to perform these instructions. The first instruction, it says count the total number of employees who have salary greater than 1 lakh. So I will just type here greater than symbol, this one, and 5 zeros. So here is the this one here. The function I will be using is to find the salary, total number of employees. To find the count of the employees, we have the function count if into bracket, and here is the salary column. I will select this much range, put a comma, and into the quotation I will put greater than 100,000 or 1 lakh. Quotation complete, bracket complete, and I will press enter. So the answer says that there are only 2 employees who are drawing salary more than 1 lakh. This Anju is drawing 1 lakh, but she is not included because she is drawing 1 lakh, and our criteria was that it should be, the salary should be greater than 1 lakh, so she is not included. Now the second instruction says count the total number of employees who are MD. So I will type MD label here. I will press tab, and here I will find out how many MDs are here. So same function, count if into bracket, and I will select this much of selection. You can also select this much of selection, or you can reduce the selection also just for that column. So space, quotation, I will type capital MD, press enter. Without closing also it will be okay. Remember, without closing the bracket will also be okay. Now it says there are three MDs are in this database. Instruction says find the maximum salary department wise. So there are 3 departments, so I will type here, I will copy this department, and then I will paste it here, 1 2 3, and press enter. 3 times it was pasted. Now I will say TRG bill. These are the names of the department. SW. So make this type of table. Now let us use the function database function to find the maximum salary for these 3 departments. Is a new function called dmax. Look here, it is saying that it returns the largest number in the field column of records in the database that match the conditions you specify. So put a bracket here. Now select the range. This is the range, the first cell of the range. Here you press F4. So as soon as you press F4, the cell address is written in absolute addressing. So this $A and $1 is called absolute addressing. Put a colon here. I will delete this one. Click here, press F4, put a colon here, and then shift and this last cell. So here also you put F4 and the cell address is written in absolute referencing, put a comma, then space. In the quotation you type exactly this one, the salary address, spelling of salary, SALARY, quotation complete, comma. Now say the criteria range is from here to here, from this department to here, and then this is called range of relative referencing, bracket complete, and then press enter. So it says in the training department the maximum salary is 2 lakh. So what I will do now, I will copy this formula to bill department to software department. Release the button, you are finding that the bill department is drawing a 3 lakh, and in the software department the maximum salary is 10,000. So this completes the instruction C. Department was, we found this one, the salary. Now find the minimum salary designation wise. So what I will do, I will copy this designation here and I will paste 1 time, 2 time, 3 times, no, only 2 times, because there are only 2 designations. Now I will type MD here in capital, rather better, AD here. Now here the same function, instead of dmax we are taking the function dmin into bracket, and you already know the range. Click here and press here, click here also, press and hold shift key and click here and press F4, so the address will change to absolute addressing, comma, and then you type salary in the quotation exactly same as the spelling is above heading, comma, and the designation, the range of the criteria designation is MD. This is relative referencing. Put bracket, press enter. Now it says the minimum salary for an MD is 10,000. Now I will just drag to copy the formula across. It says 2 lakh is the minimum salary, 20,000 is the minimum salary, that is I think for Anita, is for the assistant director. So this completes this second D, instruction D, minimum salary for designation wise. Now let us go further. It says count the employees for each designation for each department. So there are 2 designations, MD and AD, and there are 3 departments, TRG, we are typing in columns, SW and bill. So here I will make a table here. So go to home and let us make it a border column, all the borders. Now let me find out the minimum, the number of employees in the number of MDs in the training department. So it is equal to count ifs is the function, into bracket you type this is range, which is this one. The first range is the department wise, so this much only you select, put a comma here, and the quotation you said TRG, quotation complete, and second put a comma here, then second range, cell range, it is all absolute, sorry, says cell relative referencing. Now space, now say MD. So in the training department there are how many MDs? Just press enter, you will come to know that in the training department there is only 1 MD, and this one. Then again press enter to find this one. Just copy the same formula. You cannot copy the same formula. If you drag the formula from here to here, what will happen? The same formula will be repeated, but range will be B7 instead of B1. So if you don't want to change this this one range, you need to give absolute addressing to this one. Press enter here. Now this one I will press F4. This one also I will select this range and I will press F4. What will happen? The same range will be changed to absolute referencing. Now you can copy the formula and make small changes. here all of them are 1, doesn't matter this one. Now here for the SW press F2 and just say MD are the same. Here you say SW, so it is 1. Come here and you say TRG. In the billing department there are, right. Now let us see in the AD, in the training department AD 1 AD is there. In the software department how many? There is 1. In the billing department we need to change the billing also, and here also AD. So let us see in the software department, and we are trying to find it. So this 0 itself says that it is the function is working correctly, because in the software department, look here into the database. In the software department there is only one MD. There are no ADs, because she one is the only one currently working in the software department. She is assistant. She is MD, so she is not assistant director. There is no assistant director, so this function is also working correctly. So this completes your assignment number 24. It has a lot of functions. Remember the functions. I will type it here. Is equal to dmax, and then is equal to dmin, which you learned, and is equal to count ifs. This function we have already used, these count if functions. Remember, these are the 3 functions we used to complete this practical number 24.